생존 여행 영어 시작합니다. 교통카드를 충전할 때
Hi. Can I pay the fare with a debit card?
Yes, but only at the ticket machine over there.
I already have a transit card. Can I just reload it?
Of course. You can top it up at the same machine.
I think the balance is low. Can I check it first?
Sure. Just tap your card on the screen to check your balance.
It says card not valid. What does that mean?
It probably expired. You'll need a new card or a daily pass.
Okay, I'll get a daily pass then. Do I insert my debit card here?
Yes, insert the card, choose the fare, and press confirm.
It says insufficient balance.
In that case, try another card or pay in cash at the counter.
I'll try another card. Thanks for your help.